everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So last weekend we went out to Mosquito Lake and we did pretty good. But during the week we had a lot of warm weather. I think the temps got up into the 60s and we got a lot of rain. So I'm curious what the ice conditions are going to be like. We're going to try to get back out there today. I'm going to wait until it's a pretty good daylight just because I'm unsure about the ice. But we're going to try to go after some walleyes again. And if all goes well and the ice is good, we're going to go back out Sunday also. And we'll be there at the crack of dawn if weather permitting and ice permitting. So stay tuned and we're going to go check out Mosquito Lake. Okay, back out here at Mosquito. We're gonna give it another try. We just got here approximately noon. We're gonna see how the afternoon goes into the evening. We're roughly in the same area we were last weekend, maybe just a little more west and north. We're in 18 feet of water. So we'll see how it goes. All set up. Stay tuned. Let me show you what I'm using here. On one rod I got a jig and wrap and a minnow. On another rod I have a fire tagger vibrato. And we're just putting it pretty close to the bottom and jigging them up and down. I like to use vibrating lure on one, maybe live bait or another spoon or type jigging lure on the other. I think the vibration might help call them in if they don't want to bite that. They see that other minnow there, why they may hit that. Maybe not. No. Jig and wrap. Yeah. think I got a catfish. Yep. I don't know, but it's nasty and big. Yeah, big channel catch.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Big nasty catfish. I wanted to close it out on the ice, but it got pretty dark out there tonight, so I figured we could wrap it up here. But anyhow, we had a pretty good day. Ice was in great shape. I'd say probably 6-7 inches. The bite was pretty decent. We're gonna get back after it tomorrow. We're gonna go out at the crack of dawn and see if we can improve on what we did today, and stick with me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.